So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are sharing some school decoration ideas related to Halloween. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful and useful for you as the Halloween week is coming and everyone excited for the Halloween. So you can also do decorations in your school, in your classroom, in your play areas that attract students. So you can add some ghost like of, you can add some spider kind of decorations, sky decorations, some bat, and even you can make such kind of roof hanging, wall hanging that also create a very scary look, very entertaining look, and kids will become so excited. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download this video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end, and select the idea that you like the most. So guys, we shared a lot of stuff related to Halloween. For example, Halloween party decoration ideas, Halloween cake decoration ideas, Halloween costume for girls, for boys, for kids, and even couple costumes. So you can visit our channel for such kind of videos, and all these videos are totally helpful for you for your Halloween parties. So guys, hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.